speed limit is 40 miles per hour, but it isn't safe to do 40. Don't forget the speed limit isn't a target. Can't see very far ahead here. The tighter the road, the slower you should drive. There's some big nasty holes on the left to avoid. Some country roads aren't as well maintained as the main roads. Slowing down here, first gear, looks wide enough, just go through slowly. Don't let the curb go more to the right than this, or you'll hit it. The less you see ahead, the slower you should drive. They have a passing place on the right. I could wait opposite that space if needed. On roads like this, you can expect slow-moving farm vehicles, horse riders, cyclists, and pedestrians. Keeping left, that helps me get a better view around the right-hand bend. See a bit further now, make a bit more progress. When you start to see less road, ease off. Or if the road gets tighter, slow down. Always have a plan in mind where you would go if there was oncoming. Looking at the gap, rather than the oncoming vehicle or bush, can help you judge if you can fit. Make use of this space, check mirrors left for any cyclists. I'll drop down to second. I can see a little bit further now. I've got a passing place on the left that I can use. Always expect the worst on these kind of roads. Ready for a big lorry. Very blind bend. Can't see over the hill. Okay, start to see a bit further ahead. Make a bit more progress, then slowing down as I get closer to the bend. Keeping left. A lot of accidents happen on country roads. Never feel pressured into driving faster than you feel comfortable, and always drive at a safe speed. Looks wide enough. And I can see much further ahead, there's a cyclist. Don't want to scare them. Make a bit more progress. Now off gas, braking. Looks a bit wider here. Can't see very well. Braking, clutch down to second. I'm not looking directly at the oncoming, I'm looking straight ahead at the space and judging it that way. Keeping left now. Always expect the worst. See a bit further ahead now, increasing speed. Up to third. Up to fourth to save fuel. See quite far ahead now. Driving a bit to the right helps me see round the bend a bit better. This position also helps oncoming see me, but only do this when it's safe and clear. Now I see less road ahead, braking, down to third. Brake and change down gear if you need to, before the bend. Try not to brake harshly on the bend, as it can unsettle the car and could cause you to lose control. Always drive at a speed that will allow you to stop well within the distance you can see to be clear. Now I'm braking, getting tighter, down to second. So I slow down and change down before the tight gap, so I've got maximum control. It's a bit harder to see with the shadows. Ready for oncoming, keeping left. Look out for concealed entrances where vehicles could slowly be pulling out of. Reminder sign for 40. There's a mirror on the right there to help people emerge out of this concealed entrance. Looking far up the road. Scanning the road, not just looking in the far distance, but also what is near me as well. Looks safe to overtake, check mirrors, accelerate, give them space, up to 4th, mirrors to move back in. Turning left at the end, check mirrors, signal, slowing down, having a slow approach. Don't want to scare drivers on this road that I'm joining. Looks clear and safe. Speed limit is still 40, as I haven't seen any signs saying any different. Slowing down here, super tight. Now I can see further ahead, make a bit more progress. I've got a passing place on the left there I can use. See further ahead. Can't see as well now. Easing off gas, letting the hills slow me down. Ready for oncoming. Expecting a large lorry. Sign warning me of horse riders. Keeping left. Off gas. Back on the gas. Can't see as well anymore, so I'm slowing down. Now I can see much further. Very steep. Don't need any gas down here. If I was to change up to 4th gear, I'd have less engine braking, and I'd have to brake harder. Slowing down and changing down a gear before the bend. Following the curb. See further ahead. Signs warning me of horse riders. Road on the right and a dip. Braking for tight spaces. More gas for the hill. Looks safe. As I start to see less ahead, I ease off gas, letting the hill slow the car down. Keeping left, see more ahead, so more gas. A bit harder to see here, off gas, letting the hill slow the car down. No brakes. So you're changing the speed limit. I'm turning left at the end of the road. Check mirrors, signal, off gas. Now clutch down, 1st gear, gas and bike to creep up to the giveaway line. Lots of looking, and then the clutch slowly comes up with more gas. Build up speed, up to 2nd. If you're unsure what some of these dashboard warning lights are, then watch this video next. Thanks a lot for watching, please like and subscribe, and bye for now.